my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the most rated comments will get a giveaway a Neato Nice Cube. So if you want that Neato Nice Cube, comment down below. And also sticky rolls. So today we'll be drawing the squishmallow. We're gonna start off with the oval. 3, 2, 1. Here's my oval. And then up here is my marker wheel, my marker label for my dog. So next, we're gonna do 2 ears like this. There you go. And then you're gonna do 2 eyes. Remember to wait in 3, 2, 1. You're gonna draw a bear, so this is what it looks like. Then you're gonna do the inside of the ears and the cheeks. I'm gonna do a line to separate it in 3, 2, 1. You're gonna draw a little circle. Yeah, just wait for it. And then you're gonna draw a little dot inside. Remember to wait. 3, 2, 1. You know what to do next. Those 2 use like this. There we go. Now color in here and do cheeks. Then you're gonna color this part like right here, peach. 3, 2, 1. Just like that. Boom. Just like that. Give you a closer look. And next, we're gonna be doing something else. We're gonna be coloring the bear. Now I'm gonna color it in 3. It's gonna be done colored in 3, 2, 1. And this is the result. This kind of looks like chocolate. I wanna eat it. Next, guys. Atara next out art. You have to do a test. First start off with a big circle. This. Pointy ears, but the edges are not pointy. 3, 2, actually they are 3, 2, 1. Wait. Go. Next, we're gonna put little lines here. Sort of like that. Next one. This. Just like that. Yeah. Just like that. Wait guys, sorry. It's down below in the comments if you can see it properly. Now add a little. No, 3, 2, 1 like this. Wait, I'm gonna show you how. And now do this. There we go. We're gonna go at eyes. And then inside. And another one. Color in. I'm gonna pause on coloring in to give you some time to color in. Remember, you can always pause the video. I'm gonna draw the eye so long. One, I'm gonna wait for you. Next, the other one, I'm gonna draw. can color in your cat, but just remember to add some whiskers like me. Your little cat. Comment down below if you love this project. I'm gonna color them in 3, 2, 1, but I'm leaving it a white cat. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna actually show y'all the coloring process. So let's go. Now, we need to equal the little of this one, and then I'm gonna color in the ear. The other one is the coloring. I'm gonna leave in like this is. I'm pushing really hard with my roller. So I always want to the middle next, and at the end of this 3-week holiday, one of you will be getting it. That's giving watermelon. I think I have given watermelon for next one. Should I? Yeah. Because I will get some. There we go. And then I'm going to add a little fruit like that. And you just close the lid. Close the lid. Let's draw the cheeks. Let's go to the next one. There you go. And now you're going to get your rib. Let me just close this. Close this and get my rib. So next, you're going to there you go. Our kitty cat is done. Atara, next drawing.